Hi everyone, this is Ozbudak from Mauser Packaging Solutions. I will be presenting our company and our sustainability approach today. So Mauser Packaging Solutions is one of the global leaders of industrial packaging with more than 150 facilities globally in 20 countries with more than 11,000 employees, generating more than 5 billion USD of revenue per year. In 2018, we went through a restructuring, and at that time, the four brands of our company, namely B-Way, Mauser, NCG, and Industrial Container Services, merged under the umbrella of Mauser Packaging Solutions, and since then our company name changed to Mauser Packaging Solutions. And then we changed to a divisional structure, small packaging and large packaging in North America. And out of all the countries out of North America is merged under international packaging. If we look at our business overview, so nearly 80% of our revenue is generated through North America, followed by Europe, around 17%, and 2% from Asia and South America. If you look at the end markets, the chemical industry is the leader with 28%, followed by the housing and construction, and with 15% with petrochemical industry, which includes lube oil industry. If we look at our organization in APAC region, so we operate in four countries, namely China, India, Malaysia, and Singapore. In China, we do produce 1 liter bottles for lube oil industry, also plastic drums, open top, tight head, and IBCs. We just integrated our high-end plant last year in 2023, which currently produces only plastic drums, but we are investing in a state-of-the-art IBC line there as well, so which will be operational by the end of this year. This factory is food certified and also electronic chemical grade certified as well. In India, we have two factories, one in Jambusar, one in Pen, where we produce steel drums. In Malaysia, we have one of our biggest steel drum plants of our group, located in Shah Alam. And in Singapore, we do produce both plastic drums and also steel drums in our Tuas factory. Let me give you more information about our product line. So we do produce small packaging, especially in North America, where we are very strong and the market leader. So we do produce special cans, aerosol cans, and paint cans as well. If you look at the legacy Mauser products, so we have our plastic drums or plastic packaging from 100 milliliter up to 250 liters. All the different types, from bottles to jerry cans to pails to open top and tighter drums. On the steel drum, we also have a wide variety of products. So conical drums, cylindrical drums from 20 liter up to 250 liter, and plus the salvage drums of 300 liters. Fiber drums, we do produce a bit in Europe. We have one factory in Germany, and we have more factories in North America. We have also a wide variety of options on there. And on the composite, IBCs is one of our strengths, and we have also a wide variety with wooden pallet, plastic pallet, or composite pallet with different types of valves as well. Mauser Packaging Solutions is one of the biggest industrial packaging recycler in the world. So we do have a wide, extensive network globally. in Europe, in North America, South Africa, and also in Asia. So we do also supply our customers with reconditioned products, like reconditioned steel or plastic drums, or IBCs, or rebottled IBCs. We do also produce medical containers for sharp containers or waste containers. And also Mauser Packaging Solutions is one of the leaders of blow molding producer, and we do produce our own blow molding machines for our HDPE drums or for our IBCs. Yeah, let me deep dive on our sustainability approach. So sustainability is a concept that not only applies to the environment, but to many different aspects of our business. Certainly, we try to reduce our environmental impact of our products and services, but we also believe that having long-term customer relationship and creating value and growth opportunities with them and also with our employees, supported by long-term financial stability, are the key aspects of our sustainability approach. We drive sustainable value for our customers, deliver superior customer experience, provide solutions that create growth opportunities, grow globally with our customers, and responsible business practices. So how do we do that? So definitely by reducing our carbon footprint, by optimizing design of our products, so with reducing the raw material usage of our products and creating products which are suitable for reconditioning. We believe in closing the packaging life cycle, which I would like to give you more information on our approach from linear to circular. In this chart, you can see that if we go through the chart, the raw material supplier here implies Mauser's raw material suppliers, either our resin supplier or steel suppliers or component suppliers. Manufacturer here is us, Mauser. Filler is you, our customers, and emptier is your customers. So when we deliver our products to you, and after you fill, you ship to your customers. And then with our reconditioning network, we go and collect the used packaging from your customers and bring them to our reconditioning plants, where we sort them, and the products which are suitable for reconditioning, we process them, use them, and then we return them back to our customers, to you, to refill it and to send it to your customers. So in this cycle, depending on the product type, you can use the same product so many times. If the product is not suitable for reconditioning, then we take this product to our recycling plants or our partners' recycling plants. We have our own PCR, post-consumer resin production plants in Europe, in Germany and in Italy. So where the products which are not suitable for reconditioning, we convert them into post-consumer resin. So Mauser is the first industrial packaging company to produce its own PCR globally, and since then we have expanded our capacity 3 times because the demand is increasing from our customers. And in the coming slides, I will give some more information on our Infinity series, which contains our PCRs as well. Last year alone, we produced more than 31,000 tons of PCR, which were used in our own products. With our PCR production and plus our reconditioning business, so we were able to save more than 900 million pounds of greenhouse greenhouse gases from entering the atmosphere. So which is equivalent to nearly 90,000 passenger cars driven for 1 year, or approximately 145,000 of waste recycled instead of going to landfill. So now I would like to give more information about our Infinity series. Infinity series means our product line, again, like the plastic drums and also for IBCs, which contains minimum 25% PCR content. This way, in this Infinity series products, we use our own PCR called Ricolan, which we branded as a different name. So we use Ricolan in our Infinity series. Why do we produce our own PCR? A couple of reasons, but the main reason is that with a wide range of reconditioning network, we can source lots of used packaging, and plus we can control the outcome. So the technical specifications of Ricolan is nearly equal to a virgin material. So which means when we process in our factories, we do not have any productivity losses or any quality issues. So the Infinity product series are creating nearly the same results as virgin material. So why do we do that? Because recycled HDPE is 60% comes lower carbon emission, so which helps environment, which helps you, our customers, and which helps us. So there are many types of our Infinity series. As you can see here, we can have it with monolayer, 2 layers, triple layers, the pails, open-top drums, tight-head drums. So we have a wide variety of products. I will not go in detail here, but if you guys have any questions, please let me know after the presentation. As I explained, so our Ricolan has the same technical specifications with virgin material, so which means when we produce with Ricolan, we can reach the same performance of the material. And you can see here from pails to jerry cans to open top to tight head, we have all these products are suitable for the dangerous goods as well. So we have the UN certificates for all those products and could be used and transport dangerous goods. Another product I would like to introduce here is our isopalette IBC. Normally, standard IBCs are loaded 18 units to a container due to the design of the container. The door part is a little bit shorter, so which do not allow to load 20 IBCs in one container. But with our slim pallet design, so we are able to load 20 IBCs in one pallet. So which means you can, or our customers can load 2 more IBCs instead of 18, they can load 20. So which means we can save on the carbon emissions, and also on the cost side, nearly after every 10 container, 1 container will be free. Another product that I would like to show here is called Drum Guard, which is a trademark of Mauser Packaging Solutions, which was developed by us. Especially, this is a load securing system designed for plastic or steel drums, open-top, tight-head drums, which tries to avoid using a one-way stretch packaging or any one-way plastic packaging or metal packaging. So we have a short video on that, and if we can start the video. Yeah. So drum guard is one of the, as you can see from the video, so it's one of the safest way to transport your drums and steel drums or plastic drums compared to other types of solution. And it's more environmentally friendly because the drum guard itself could be reusable. So through our reconditioning network, we provide our customers the collection service, so we can collect where the drum guard is delivered, and then we can deliver those drum guards to your factories globally. Where do you want us to deliver? So one of the most efficient solutions available at the market. So that's overall about Mauser Packaging Solutions. Thank you very much for listening, and if you have any questions, please let me know.
Thank you so much. Wow, that's interesting, especially the video.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do we have any questions for Ali? While waiting, people always it takes a long time to scan. Let me just ask you a few questions regarding your sustainability products. In the lubricant space, how much demand is there for recycled plastic containers, whether it's the small packaging or the IBCs or the drums?
When we start producing our own PCR approximately 10 years ago, demand was nearly zero. So we were having difficult times to convince our customers to convert to products with the PCR content, and generally we were selling to other types of usage, so we were not using them in our products. But it's increasing more and more. Of course, our customers have some concerns if there will be any contamination from the PCR content to their product. But we have multiple layer technology, so which means the inner layer and outer layer of the product is produced with virgin material, and only the inner layer is with the PCR product. So which means your product will never touch PCR, and also the humans will not touch the PCR part. So it's increasing, but to be honest, it's not as much as we have anticipated. Yeah.
Could that be only in Asia Pacific, perhaps?
No, it's globally as well. In Europe and US more, of course. Asia Pacific is less. Our customers are more concerned. For instance, in China, we have drums, IBCs, and also 1 liter bottles produced with PCR. But still, the demand is less compared to the other parts of the world. Yes.
Are there any other questions from the floor? Okay, we have 10 more minutes. Let me ask one more question, Ali. This is a really interesting subject. So you had a chart where you said you can save this much carbon emissions.
Yes.
So if you convert a 1 liter package, which is really the most common, right? 1 liter and 5 liter motor oil bottle, exactly how much do you save in terms of carbon emissions by using a recycled plastic?
Yeah, normally depends on how much we put PCR in the bottle. So we can do it from 25% up to 60%. So depending on the weight of the bottle, so per kg use, we can save 60% compared to virgin material.
So that's pretty significant.
Yeah.
Some countries in Asia, like Vietnam, has EPR. Do those kinds of legislation have any impact on the pickup of demand for recycled plastic?
Yeah, definitely. Especially now in Europe, you know that they're passing it's not passed yet, but the timing is always postponing. But the plastic tax, which will be in Italy, UK, Netherlands, will be in practice in the coming years. So which our customers are increasing their demand, because if there is no PCR content in the plastic packaging after 2025, they need to pay special tax on their product. So that's why now everyone is looking for solutions to have PCR products as well.
Okay, I'd like to plug the Aliyah is actually doing a webinar on September 27, especially on the subject of plastics recycling. So maybe we can ask you to join another webinar in the future to pick up the subject of
Sure.
plastic recycling. Thank you so much, Ali, for
Sure.
your
Thank you very much.
presentation.
Thank you.
So we're going to wait a few minutes for the next presentation. We have 8 minutes, although I know